Starting a brewery is an exciting journey filled with creativity, passion, and of course, great beer. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, if you're thinking about taking the plunge into the world of brewing, stay tuned for some essential steps to get you started. First things first, let's talk about planning. You need a solid business plan. Think about what kind of brewery you want. Are you going for a cozy brew pub, a large-scale production facility, or something in between? It's like picking the ingredients for your favorite recipe. You need to know what you're aiming for to get the perfect result. Next up, location. Location is key when it comes to opening your brewery. You want a place that's accessible and has enough foot traffic. Plus, you'll need space for all that brewing equipment and maybe even a tasting room. Picture your perfect spot and make it happen. Now let's dive into the legal side of things. You'll need permits and licenses. It's a bit like getting your driving license. Not the most exciting, but absolutely necessary. Don't worry though, legalregistration.com has got your back. They're experts at handling the paperwork. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Once you've got the legal stuff sorted out, it's time to think about equipment. This is where the fun really begins. You'll need kettles, fermenters, and all the tools to make your brewing dreams come true. It's like setting up your dream kitchen, only with way more stainless steel. Another important aspect of starting a brewery is choosing the right staff. From brewers to bartenders, having a skilled and passionate team will make all the difference. Hiring people who understand the brewing process and customer service can help ensure your brewery runs smoothly and provides a great experience for your customers. Of course, you can't make beer without ingredients. Sourcing the best hops, malt, and yeast is crucial. Think of it as a chef choosing top-quality produce for a Michelin star dish. Every detail counts. Now, let's talk branding. Your brewery needs a name, a logo, and a story. Something that makes people want to try your beer even before they taste it. It's your chance to be creative, so let your imagination run wild. Finally, spread the word. Use social media, host events, and get involved in the local community. Building a loyal customer base is like making friends. It takes time and effort, but it's worth every second. And there you have it. Starting a brewery may seem daunting, but with passion and a little help from legalregistration.com, you'll be pouring your own pints in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Cheers to your brewing success.